A scratch now there, but yeah. Next is installing the mechanism. What we're gonna do is just set it down in and pop it in here like that. And we're gonna take our screw and screw it in. Of course, I forgot this part. Now it's nice and tight. I forgot the pin. I got the pin in. The pin is now in correctly. Screw is in nicely. Now, we are going to get the barrel on. To do this, we're going to need barrel band and barrel band screw. And of course, the barrel bolt. Now, the first thing we're going to do is put the, I can't show you, but the barrel bolt needs to go in first. Because once when you get it started, you can then let go of the barrel and then get your barrel band on. Okay, now after that, you get your, I think you can see this. You get your barrel band on. I've already got it on. But after that, you tighten down your barrel bolt, barrel screw, barrel bolt, whatever it is called. Tighten that down. To about the desired tightness. I mean, you could probably go even tighter, but you know, I think it's good so far. You know what? I'm going to adjust it to, oh, it's already at like the desired, there. I've got it. You can't see it though, but I've got it pretty flush right now. After that, you're going to want to install your hammer. Now, remember where it was at. It's one. Yeah, it is fully encapsulated. I'm going to put to click number 1, which is just above the pin there. I'm going to take my screw here for the hammer and screw the screw on, and voila, I'm actually going to. Aha! Tighten down the screw. Ooh, don't lose your grip on there or you'll have serious problems. I'll put this cap on this right now. Okay, and yeah, you're all set. You're all done. Just don't forget to oil down your barrel. You do not want to forget to do that. It's a big problem. Don't forget to wipe off your fingerprints because you don't want to leave any fingerprints or grease or residue because, you know, you don't really want to do that. Now, for the most part, yeah, it works. Sounds awesome. But overall, if you want a Zulu shotgun and you want to customize it, I recommend getting one that's a little beat up. This one was fairly beat up. Now, time for the unveiling. There you go. All reassembled. Everything. You know, I've seen a Zulu shotgun that they cut the barrel a little shorter. Now, if you want a really freaking cool Zulu shotgun, I mean, go for it. Cut the barrel here. Make it illegal. I don't care. I mean, you're up to assault shotgun there. But, I mean, do what you want with your Zulu shotgun. They're not worth very much. They're only worth a couple $100, but depends on what you do to them that makes them valuable. This is the only Zulu shotgun that looks like this. You're looking at a one-of-a-kind Zulu shotgun. I'm pretty sure there's been none other that looks like this. The black stock I actually got from that Smithsonian book, because in that Smithsonian book, the shotgun looks like... Oh, where is it? Right... somewhere in here. Right here. Right there. That's kind of supposed to be what it is, except the shotgun's cut down to there. Yeah, kind of like that. But overall, I mean, it's missing that because they cut that off. And it's missing the sling. Rear sling swivel attachment, unless it didn't have one, because this is an 1853 model and this is an 1857 model. On the next page right here, in 1858 they experimented with a carbine style. Yeah, I mean, that still looks pretty cool, but it's not the same. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah. Yeah. So, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to, don't forget to leave some comments. I'd like to know what you guys think and give me any ideas of things to do. I mean, heck, I'll even fire this thing 10 times in a row. It's just I gotta get some ammunition, you know? Just don't have time nor the money right now to go buy a bunch of ammunition. But yeah, on my downtime, I had made this for it. You know, 1857, that's the year of it. It will hold shotgun shells. Actually, this is the shell I fired. I just gutted the shell. Yeah. But, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, tell me what you think, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, notification bell, leave some comments down below, and I'd really like to see some more subscribers and views go up. And thank you for watching some more of the Forgotten Era. This is Forgotten Era gun rebuild. Thank you.